I know our favorite mango season has already started and we can prepare many dishes out of it. I know I am little late, but this year I will start with our favorite seasonal Mango Phirni. Here I have simplified the process and you can prepare it easily at home. So let's jump on to the preparation. So first, I soaked 50 grams of basmati rice. You can take any flavored rice. After 30 minutes, strain the water and kept it aside to dry. It will take some time. Then grind it roughly. Don't make powder of it. And it should be like this. Now, from the overall milk, take some amount of milk and mix with the roughly grinded rice and kept it aside. Then in a bowl, take 3 tablespoons of milk powder. This is optional, but adding milk powder enhances the taste and make the texture creamy and smooth. Then from the overall milk, add milk and mix it well and keep it aside. Now boil the milk on high flame and be very careful at this time. Then cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. After 5 minutes, add the milk powder mixture while continuously stirring it, or else it might get lumped. So don't forget to stir while adding the milk mixture or the milk powder mixture. Now again cook for 5 minutes so that the milk will reduce little bit, and then add the roughly grinded rice which I kept aside. And I have mixed with the milk so that it will not get lumps while adding it. Now cook for 15 to 20 minutes on low flame and don't forget to stir it in between. During that time, make the mango paste. For that, I took 2 medium size of mango and then take it in a grinder and make smooth paste of it. And you can see it should be like this. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can see the rice is almost transparent. So that means the rice is not completely boiled. So you need to cook for more 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, as you can see, the rice is almost ready. And now is the time to add the mango pulp or the mango paste which we prepared earlier. So add the mango pulp and mix it immediately, or else it might get lumps. So to avoid lumps, mix it immediately. Now you can see the yummy mangoish color. Here I have not added any food color. If you want, you can add it. Now add the sugar as per your sweetness. I have added 100 grams of sugar, which is the perfect measurements. Now add 1 pinch of salt to enhance the taste. Adding salt is optional. You can skip this part, but I prefer to add a pinch of it. And then add 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder, or you can also add 3 to 4 cardamoms as well. Now cook for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, check the consistency. The consistency should be like this. It should not be so thick or so thin, and keep it as semi-thick consistency. And now this is ready, and turn off the flame. Now transfer into a bowl or any container you prefer. You can use clay pot as well. You can also keep it in big container. Now add some dry fruits on the top of it, which is optional. And you can also use mango chunks instead of it. Now keep all the container inside fridge to set it down minimum for 8 to 10 hours, but I prefer 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can see it has set perfectly and the delicious seasonal Mango Phirni is ready to serve. So enjoy it after your favorite lunch or dinner. Thank you for watching. See you in my next videos. Bye bye.